To say I'm always late is an understatement, so I'm gonna make myself a clock.
This all started because I found this clock at a thrift store and I thought, hey, this would be a pretty cool project. And the fact that I'm always late contributed to my decision making. So I quickly started designing a familiar application that I already have, the Apple clock, the clock that everyone is used to seeing at this point. I just wanted to make a physical version of it because I literally don't have a physical clock in my house. For this project, I mainly needed to design the watch itself, as well as get a clock module because I can't really make that from scratch. That's what the thrift store watch was for. I also needed a light dimmer and an LED strip. I was going to use this light to make the watch glow, to give the same effect like it was on your phone.